If you've ever tried to open a form, a checkout page, or a login window in Google Chrome and nothing happened, pop-up settings are usually the reason. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. This is a quick but important setting to know, especially if a website needs a new window or redirect to work properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of the browser's settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you to the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. Click Privacy and Security. This section controls browsing data, permissions, and site-related settings. Next, in the main window, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you manage permissions for things like camera, microphone, notifications, and pop-ups. Now scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects, then click it. This page controls whether websites are allowed to open pop-up windows or redirect you to another page. To enable pop-ups, select Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Once you choose this option, Chrome will allow supported websites to open the windows and redirects they need. That's it. Your pop-ups are now enabled in Google Chrome. If a website still isn't working, you may also want to refresh the page or check whether the site is blocked in your pop-up exceptions list. But for most users, these steps will fix the problem right away. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Chrome tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.